just a little bit. And you're going to take your yarn needle, and I thread my yarn in and out through the top stitches all the way around. This is going to create almost a, sorry, I keep hitting my phone there, almost a drawstring effect up here at the top. So we're just weaving in and out through the stitches up here at the top. You'll want to go all the way around your opening, like so. And once you come all the way around, you can just pull it closed like that. So it's going to completely seal the top of your hat. Then at this time, I work a little bit of a knot just to make sure that it is secure. And then if you need to, you can use the rest of this yarn to sew a pom-pom on the top, or if you want to fasten it off, you can just weave in your ends. Like so. Take your scissors, fasten off, turn your hat right side out, and that's the top of your beanie and laid flat. You can use a palm if you'd wish, or leave it without a palm. It still looks neat at the top without, and then it's all set for you to enjoy. So thank you so much. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial on my waffle stitch beanie. While you're here, don't forget to subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Happy crocheting. Bye.